Hey, welcome back to G Drive. Today, we're looking at the pinnacle of road luxury, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper. This isn't just a camper. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels, and Maybach has redefined what it means to travel. In absolute style, the exterior is all class. A two-tone obsidian black and pearl white finish with chrome accents, soft closing doors, and a dynamic grille glowing subtly with Maybach's signature emblem. You'll also find 24-inch alloy wheels, adaptive suspension, and an active leveling system that gives it a yacht-like glide on the road. Even the roof is something else, entirely covered in retractable solar panels with a panoramic glass. Skylight at the center. Step inside, and you're greeted by handcrafted wood, quilted Napa leather, crystal trim, and an ambient lighting system that changes with the time of day. The front cockpit includes twin old curved displays, haptic controls, and voice command integration powered by MBUX Hyperscreen AI. It feels like the future, but looks like timeless luxury. In the lounge, there's a massage-enabled reclining sofa that converts into a bed, a champagne cooler with Maybach flutes, and a 65-inch retractable 8,000-old TV with 3D surround sound by Burmester. Even the window blinds are motorized, syncing with your sleep cycle and ambient light preferences. The kitchen? Ultra premium. You get an induction cooktop, smart oven, self-cleaning wine chiller, and a countertop that doubles as a touchscreen. Display for recipes, entertainment, or smart home controls. Everything's flush, minimal, and voice dash activated. In the rear cabin, the bedroom includes a king-size memory foam bed, ceiling starlights with real Swarovski crystals, and noise cancellation. Walls. There's also a walk-in closet, something unheard of in motorhomes. The bathroom is just as elite, featuring a marble rain shower, automatic bidet toilet, and digital aromatherapy controls. Powering this beast is a dual electric powertrain pushing 700 horsepower with 400 miles of range. It charges ultra-fast thanks to Maybach's wireless inductive charging tech, and you get full level 4 autonomy. You can literally let it drive while you sip a latte in bed. It starts at around $450,000 and climbs depending on how wild you go with customization. But if you're someone who wants elegance, tech, and comfort stitched into every mile, this is as close as you'll get to perfection on wheels. What's your take? Is this peak luxury or just over the top? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you love futuristic motorhomes like this. You're watching it. G Drive, where travel meets tomorrow.